We are sitting right now in the new look, the royal look of Bhuter Raja's newest Shundi Raja Raj Darbar, and we have the Pujo special thali. Oof, এই জায়গাটাকে দেখো। আর আরেকটা জিনিস যেটা মিস আউট করবো না, don't miss this part out. এখানে কিন্তু Bhuter Rajaর নামও লেখা আছে, হ্যাঁ? It's in crossed over there. So this entire thali has fish fry. There's luchi. There's going to be chola dal with it. Begun bhaja আছে. There's মাছের মাথা দিয়ে সোনামুগের ডাল. There is ভেটকি মাছের পাতুরি, পদ্মাপাড়ের ইলিশ ভাপা আছে, রাজবাড়ির কষা মাংস। There's পোলাও as well as ভাত দুটোই থাকছে, পাপড় আছে, চাটনি আছে, রসগোল্লা আছে, and this entire thing is going to be shareable by two. So তোমরা এতদিন ধরে বলো থালি আছে, বুফে আছে, shareable কিনা, বুফে তো কখনোই shareable হয় না, but this thali, because of its grandeur and the fact that it's a new section of Bhuter Raja which opens at Jadavpur, this is actually going to be shareable during the pujas as well. So tomra kintu you can come in twos and enjoy this thali together. Starting off with the luchi as well as the chola dal. The luchi is pretty thick, it's not very thin. It was fluffy when it came, but ekটু shoot করার জন্য একটু ঠান্ডা হয়ে গেছে এটা, but let's try it. chola dal to একটু গাঢ়, হালকা sweetness আছে, I like the dal which has sweetness. এবার একটু বেগুন ভাজা দিয়ে ট্রাই করব। I'm not fond of this particular cut of begun bhaja. I like it একটু round যেটা হয়। Tastes good, it's got that slight sweetness. Next up, I'm trying the fish fry. It's a little thick, it's good, it's got good amount of fish in this. Tastes good. Bhuter Raja's fish fry is popular. A la carte অনেকটাই movement হয়। Next I'll be trying out the dal with the paturi. I'm leaving aside the pulao. একটু ভাত দিয়ে try করব। Like I've mentioned, this is মাছের মাথা দিয়ে ডাল। এর সাথে ভেটকি মাছের পাতুরি। কতটা নরম। Still hot because it's wrapped inside the leaf. কারা কারা ভেটকি মাছের পাতুরির fans, let me know in the comment section. I am an Ilish fan, so I want to keep that for the end. I know sequence বলে যে আগে কোনো একটা পার্টিকুলার খাবো তারপর ওটা খাবো, বাট ইলিশটা আমি লাস্টেই খাচ্ছি। তার আগে মাটন দিয়ে হালকা পোলাও খেয়ে নিচ্ছি। মাটনের পিসগুলো দেখে নাও, decent piece. In fact, the meat is good. I think pujoর সময় যখন তোমরা আসছো, keep in mind that rush definitely হবে. That is why it's been segregated. First floor যেটা তোমরা এখানে দেখছো, this is going to be only for thali or a la carte. Buffet কিন্তু serve হবে না. If you want to have buffet, you need to go to the ground floor. This is going to be turned into an exclusive buffet outlet from now onwards. I'm normally not a mutton fan, but this is very tasty. Finally, I'll be having my favorite part, ইলিশ মাছ। Bhuter Rajaর ইলিশ মাছ কিন্তু আমার যথেষ্ট পছন্দ। ইলিশ as well as ওদের মালাই কারির প্রিপারেশন খুব ভালো হয়। এই থালিতে মালাই কারি is not there. They have different thali combinations, so you can try. ওদের বেশ পপুলার যেটা একটু রিজনেবল প্রাইসে আছে, গোপি থালি, ওটাও কিন্তু অ্যাভেলেবল থাকবে এই আউটলেটে, along with a few new items. তোমরা ওইগুলোকেও ট্রাই করতে পারো। I think ইলিশ মাছের preparation restaurant, Bhuter Raja makes one of the better ones, for sure. So you've seen the new look Shundi Raja Darbar. This looks beautiful. Perhaps one of the better looking, brightest lit Bengali restaurants you will find in the city. Food is going to be Bhuter Raja, so you can trust it. I'm very sure a lot of you already made up your plans. You know how the food is over here. I'm sure if in case you want to have buffet, you can stick with the regular. And if you want to take your parents out or your grandparents out, if you want to take your partners out, you want to take them something exclusive, something royal, I think this is going to be a spot, this Durga Pujo and beyond. Until next time, this is Foodspa wrapping up from the new look, the royal look, Shundi Raja Darbar at Jadavpur first floor. Cheers.